Cadillac is in a period of true transformation. By the end of the decade, Cadillac will be a completely all-electric brand. LYRIQ will be the first vehicle which announces this and brings this experience to everyone.
The LYRIQ is like no other vehicle that's come before it, but it certainly is going to set the tone for the future of Cadillac styling.
The future of Cadillac design changed when we made the decision to go all electric. The architectural mores that existed in the past don't exist anymore. It's design without constraints.
It was a ground-up design where we could take all the needs of the customer, all the styling attributes we always want, and bring the two together and really unify them into a single cohesive design. It has to be a story of discovery and of hierarchy, about this wonderful interaction of different materials and textures and finishes that are put together in such a way that they really hang together and you get this total cohesive experience.
It's all about the details and the ongoing discovery of those details. Cadillac design has always been iconic, and what we've done with the exteriors and the interiors have made them more approachable. There's a choreographed lighting sequence, and it's your invitation to get on board, just to welcome you, to start the relationship.
The vehicle lights up and welcomes you. You walk over, you touch the button, the door opens, you hop in, you close the door, you're in this fantastic environment, this beautiful lighting around you, it's this wonderful ambient experience, and then the car recognizes you and you drive away.
It's having a connection with you, and that's where we are today with Cadillac design.
LYRIQ is really the cornerstone for Cadillac's all-electric future. We believe in the future of a world with zero crashes, zero emissions, and zero congestion.
Cadillac has been a brand that's been about technology and about innovation, but in a very luxurious way. And that's something that we continue to this day.
The design of LYRIQ is spectacular, and there's more to come.